In this video we will take a look how to change the upload button position. So let's say this is our product page and we have by default already the button be displayed in this position. Now we want to move it above the variant switcher. So let us now take a look what we have to do. First of all, we have to go to online store. In online store we have to click the button Customize for the theme where we want to make this adjustment. In our case, this is the live theme Horizon, so I click Customize. Then we see here a drop down and it indicates we are currently on the home page. Please click one time on that and you will see there is a section Products. We can click on Products and we can see here is the default product template. So now we have to click on default product. I will do so. Now our product page will open up. And on the left side, we have to look for the product information tab. You can see it here. It is expandable, so I will click on that. And now we can see all of these details like color, variant, quantity. It is hidden in the section subsection details. So I will expand this as well, and we can see the buy buttons are here. The variant picker is here. And we can see there is currently no app block. So first of all, I always recommend to go between buy buttons and variant picker, and then you will see there is a blue line coming. And there is a plus. We will click on that plus, go to apps, click on upload field app. I will do so. And now we will see that this is the desired display position. I always recommend to hold it clicked and move it in the desired position, let's say above the variant picker where we want to show it. And then we will click the save button. Once we click the save button, we will also see that the button appears in the desired position. And it can be then determined if you will hold this clicked and move it above or below to get also updated in the position. So I will release it again, click save again, and we will see now the updated position is below again.